Hi friends, hope you're doing well. In this particular video, we will talk about the Windows 11 26H2, and if you want to download the 26H2, then it is available inside the Windows program and Windows Insight. And if you scroll down it, let me show you Windows Insider preview, and let me show you the experimental build. And it is available inside the ISO, and experimental build is available over here. Let me check mark it so that you can understand. If you want to get earlier update or you want to use features little earlier, so this is the build, experimental build 26300 25H2. It is a reflecting 25H2, but although it contains all the features of 26H2. So let's talk about the features. So if you want to download it, you can download it from here and install it. Let me show you the amazing features. If you go inside the taskbar settings, you will have the option of task behavior. And when you go inside the task behavior, then you will have option of taskbar shrink and taskbar up. So it is pretty much amazing feature because some people likes the small taskbar, so you can use it. Apart from this, the another feature is very good, and I personally like it. The file explorer is much more improved as compared to the previous one. You can see that beautiful icons, and most importantly, the performance is also up to the mark. So if you search anything like Windows, so it will give you instant results. So it is pretty much amazing. Apart from this, if we talk about the Windows updates, then in Windows updates, we have the hold on button. So if you are using something or if any operation that needs continuity in the operation and you don't need to update the Windows 11 for timing, or you want to hold the Windows update for 15 days or 16 days, then here we have the option. So it is pretty much good because sometimes system restart automatically without any information. So this is pretty much good feature, and make sure your Windows is up to date and your this additional getting updates option should be on. So these are the pretty much good features in the upcoming Windows, and most importantly, in the last you will get beautiful taskbar, and I have customized this taskbar. Otherwise, you will get the grouping of inside the taskbar like this. Here is the grouping. I didn't remove it. Sorry. And you can see that it is a beautiful taskbar grouping. So these all about the latest features. And secondly, printer connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity are also improved, and most importantly, we have already shown the uh, Windows latency profile. This feature is also included in the 26H2, as I have already shown in the previous video as well. So this is all about the video for 26H2. I hope you like this video, and if this video seems informative, kindly subscribe my channel and forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.